In this video, we will show you how to connect your Dashcam camera to your vehicle using an inline cable. This is Matt. He is going to demonstrate how to install the inline cable to your vehicle. This is a hardwire harness. This is the USB connection. This is a 12-volt to 5 transformer. We also have a red and a black. The black is chassis ground, the red is ignition power. First, you need to disassemble the car and locate a wire at the ignition switch that has 12 volts when the key is turned on and turns off when the key is off. A simple source is generally the lighter of the vehicle, but if it's hard to access, you can also get the power at the main ignition switch, which we have done here. The main ignition switch has an ignition power. We're able to determine that it has ignition power by using an ohm meter or 12-volt logic probe. First, we put the probe onto the wire. We then put the key to the on position, making sure it has 12 volts when turning the key forward and the car is running. In this case, we have 12 volts when the car is on. The power turns off when the key is off. The next connection we need to make on this harness is the ground wire. Ground can be made directly to the chassis ground of the battery, or in this case, Ford used an eyelet to the main ground of the vehicle. We're going to strip back the wire, take back the installation, we'll make the connection with the wire, and we're going to solder and tape all of the connections at the end. Bind and hide all loose cables.